Hello guys and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to manage plus ones and guest counts on Evite. So the first thing you have to do is to okay, there are two ways to go about this. If you are creating a new template, you can just go on to create a new template. You would see a section where you can actually do that. But if you have an invitation already created, just click on your profile image here, scroll down and choose my invitations here. Then this section will bring out the list or list out all our invitations where we are the host and the guests. Okay, or we can also select any of them. So from here, just click on manage events, and we want to add or manage our plus ones and guest counts. So from this section, click on this settings option here. Once you click on it, it should appear. It should bring out a box like this where we can actually specify the plus ones, and we can even edit the private guest list. Now we can specify how many people each guest is allowed to bring. So you can see here is already plus one. So if we have the liberty, we can put plus three. So here we just get to select how many we each guest is allowed to bring. So you'll just put 3 plus 2, and then we can also set the prompt for guests to know how many adults and kids are attending. So this is how to actually add or manage your plus ones and guest counts for your Evite event. So once you're done, just click on save, and it would be uploaded or saved properly. Then you can now send the links, and this link would carry every detail you've added to your Evite. So the guests will actually get to see all the do's and don'ts for the events. So guys, this is how to actually edit your guest count list on Evite. And now let me know what you think about the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If this video has been helpful to you guys in any way, please subscribe, and have a great day.